Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert USDT to Tron TRX on Binance. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Binance application in your mobile and then simply tap on this trade. In the bottom, once you are here at the very top, you will see different options. You have convert, spot, margin, etc. You have to tap on this convert here, and then over here you want to basically select where it says from. So you have to tap on this drop down, and then you have to search for this USDT. When you find it, just simply tap on it here, and then in the second drop down or two, tap on this drop down again, and in the search bar just simply search for this TRX. Tap on it. Now enter the USDT you want to convert into Tron, and as you can see 150 USDT and you will get 550 point something Tron. Just simply tap on this preview here, and then you are going to get an estimation. All these things you just have to simply tap on trade and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to convert USDT to Tron on Binance. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.